Hello, my healthy friends. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year. Today we are making garlic butter salmon. So delicious and so healthy. This is delicious. You will love it. Absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and season our salmon. I have here some Old Bay, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and that's what I'm going to be using. And I add a little bit of salt to this. Don't be afraid to add your spices, and you can season with whatever spices you like. So what I will do now is I will just flip these. I'm adding a little bit of salt. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. We have some delicious, healthy recipes for you guys for the new year. Simple and easy and delicious. Perfect for the entire family. So let's go over to the stovetop and let's get started on this garlic butter salmon. So here we have our pan. To my pan, I will just add a little bit of oil. This is a non-stick pan, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. My pan is nice and hot, and I will add my salmon. About 7 to 8 minutes on each side. That's all you need. Don't have to go crazy. Okay, my healthy friends, it is time to flip my salmon, and I don't want it to, ooh, look at that. Ooh. Looks so good, doesn't it? Flip them. Alright. And the other two, I think I'm going to honey glaze them. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But first, let's do this. So you cook this side, and then we'll take them out, and I'll show you what we will do. Okay, my healthy people, what I will do now is remove my salmon, and to my pan I will add, make sure you turn it down low. You want to add your garlic. Now I will add my butter, and then once you have your butter in your pan, you get your salmon, and you will just add them back to the pan without trying to get them to break. Garlic butter salmon. Now I will add my dry herbs. You can add fresh herbs if you have it as well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And look at this. Woo! Wee. Oh yeah. Now you can have this with broccoli. You can have this however you choose. I am going to have it with some asparagus and some couscous. I love this recipe, and that's it. It is pretty much done. That is all you need for this recipe. Simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. Let's add some asparagus, add some salmon, and some delicious couscous. Look at that. Look at that. Make it for your family. They will absolutely love it. So that's it. Subscribe and say with me, stay healthy.